Alright, we are at Woodfield Mall. This is elevator E2 with a capacity of 4,500 pounds. Lights are getting shut off. This mall is about to close, so I'm filming what I can while it's empty, because these are super busy during the day. Anyway, that's it. All right. Oh, I would reckon that's... Oh no, that's a kiosk. I thought that was the motorhome for a second. That's for Garrett's. This one is basically the same as the other two, but I'm filming it because why not? We're getting the view from all three. Doesn't ring the chime. I wonder what that panel on the top is for. That's the controller, so what's that? Macy's is closed right now. That's new. The Primark? Wait, I'm gonna have to investigate that later. We'll let you go up. The Primark is new. The Primark, that's new. At least wasn't there when I was here.
Yeah, that's new. That wasn't here.
Is that the mate? Was that the Lord and Taylor or the
I don't remember. I have no clue.
All right, we are at this next elevator at Woodfield. I'm gonna just film all three of them and make them one video because they're basically all the same. Look, here you can see there's the pump. And that is, does that say on it? I can't read that data tag. All right. Anyway, we're gonna watch this go up on the outside after. And they're playing Back on the Chain Gang. That's a good song. Taking advantage of it being past closing time, filming these while they're not completely packed. Oh, these guys are walking right by. All right, hello. Why the fuck is this thing? There we go. It's like, does it really gotta sit there and fucking idle while the family's right out there? Make it awkward as shit. Alright, we're gonna get another ride up since I talked over the motor. There's a big screen in the middle right there. I don't know if that's new or not. Looks like it spins. Oh. Well, if it isn't somebody I know. How's it going?
Yeah, what's up?
Wanna come up? I'm gonna take one more ride up for the video. Yeah, I don't know how this goes, like at what time they kick everybody out.
It's really empty from what I'm used to. It's usually packed.
Oh yeah. I thought I saw somebody out there. Yeah, that's why I'm filming them now, because it's like during the day, a video of these empty would be impossible.
Oh yeah.
There must be stuff still open, because there's people still walking around. Oh, there is. Yeah, there is stuff.
Like food places.
Yeah. I'm just setting it up to get footage of the outside. Oh, that thing has hit the buffers a few times.
Probably tests.
Yeah. And look, TAC 32 right there. Interesting how it's on the middle far. Anyway, that's it.